Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word hart in depth. First, the definition. Hart means a male deer, especially a mature red deer stag. Think of it simply as a noble stag that roams the forest. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Hart traces back to Old English heorot, first recorded over 1,000 years ago. Over time, it's been used by English speakers and hunters in medieval times. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use heart in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The hart gracefully leaped over the forest stream during the autumn evening. Correct example 2. The ancient tales spoke of a mighty hart guarding the sacred woods. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to heart my way through the shopping mall, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using heart correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Hart means a male deer, especially a mature red deer stag. It comes from Old English heorot, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with heart down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.